Hey, welcome back my friends to another unboxing. So today we're showing you this glass rinser. So I have done many of these in the past, so I'm curious to see if the quality is as good or maybe better or worse than some of the past ones. So, alright, right away we get a cleaning brush. That is the first time in any of these kits. We also get the braided line. Now this line looks to be a little longer than some of the other kits, so that's also another plus. It is a metal braided line. Looks like a cleaning cloth as well in here. You get your manual. Don't worry guys, we're going to show you quickly how this sets up. Stainless steel rinser plate. Make sure you pull everything out from the foam. You got your so this would connect to your water line and also to this. You got your different washers in here as well. You have your main piece in here, and you also have the actual rinser. So this is your rinser piece. This allows you to rotate the cup around. So that's everything in the kit. All right guys, let's get started. First of all, you're going to take your piece here and you're going to thread everything off the bottom. So you're going to have this little piece, set that off to the side, pull the washer back out and down. There's going to be a transparent washer and a metal washer. Pull that down, keep it like this on top of each other. You're just going to set that there for right now. Go ahead and drop this straight down in. So you're going to drop that down in here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put that clear transparent washer and the metal washer right back on, and you're just going to slide that straight on up to the top. Now we're going to take our piece here and we're going to thread it up into the base. So we're just going to hold it like this. This will make it a little easier, and you just thread it down the whole way. Once we get to the top there, then I'll show you guys what else you do. So we're just going to make it tight for right now. So we have this piece in here. Now obviously you would drop it down in your sink first. I'm just showing you guys how it would go. So, you know, when you saw me take off all these pieces here, you would drop just this empty rinser on your sink, and then you would put this down through, and then the washer and everything goes up underneath. So all this is going to be underneath the sink, while this is going to be on top of the sink. So then you simply drop down the washer right here. They give you a circle washer. Drop that down, place this right down in, and you're good to go. That's it. So now what happens is when you connect it to your line, you use your line and their line that they give you. You connect it to your water. Now make sure you turn the water line off when you're doing this, so or else you're gonna get spritz. So how this works is you place a cup or glass on top. You press down, and when you press down, it releases water right here, very high powered, and it cleans your cup just like that. Instead of having to scrub your cups, or, you know, a lot of times when you put it in a dishwasher, it does not do a good job. So you press down, water shoots up, it cleans your glass. It's that simple, guys.